In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Asana. I'll walk you through opening Asana, finding the right project, using the Project Actions menu, and confirming the deletion with helpful context so you can do it confidently. Start by opening your web browser and going to your preferred search engine. In the search field, type Asana and press Enter. From the results, click the official Asana website and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so you don't accidentally remove something from the wrong place. Next, locate the project you want to delete. You can find it in the left sidebar under your teams or favorites, or by using the search bar at the top of the screen. Click the project name to open it. You should now see the project's main view, whether that's list, board, calendar, or timeline, and the tasks it contains. Now look to the top of the project, where the project title appears. Right next to the title, you'll see a small drop-down arrow, or a three-dot icon. That's the Project Actions menu. Click it to open a list of options. This is where you manage important project settings, including renaming, exporting, archiving, and deleting. Since we want to remove this project completely, select Delete Project from that menu. The Delete option is typically near the bottom, and choosing it tells Asana you intend to remove the entire project and its contents. As soon as you do that, a confirmation window will appear. Pause here and read the warning. Deleting a project removes the project and its associated tasks, sections, views, and project-level settings for everyone who has access to it. If you're collaborating with a team, make sure they're finished with the work or have captured anything they need before you proceed. When you're certain you want to continue, click Delete to confirm. If you don't see the Delete option, you may not have the necessary permissions. In that case, a project owner or an admin will need to perform the deletion for you. And that's all it takes. You've deleted the project. As a best practice, if you're unsure, consider archiving instead of deleting, so the project is hidden but still accessible later. And think about exporting key information before removal. Thanks for watching, and remember, open Asana, open the project, use the Actions menu next to the project title, choose Delete Project, and confirm. You're now ready to keep your workspace tidy and focused.